The AIG bailout alone is reason enough to send you back to Princeton. And you put the printing presses into overdrive to fund the government spending and hand out cheap money to your masters on Wall Street, which they use to rake in record profits while ordinary Americans and small businesses can't even get loans for their everyday needs. Where I come from, we punish failure, not reward it. That is certainly the way it was when I played baseball, and it is the way across all America presently. Judging by the current Treasury Secretary, some may think Washington does reward failure, but that should not be the case. I will do everything I can to stop your nomination and drag out this process as long as I can. We must put an end to your and the Fed's failure, and there is no better time than now. Your Fed has become the creature from Jekyll Island. Thank you.